We are the Storm Savers, and we live in Warren, New Jersey, a town that has been transformed from a rural farm town to a town that has seen an increase in development, population, and most of all, stormwater.
We are the Storm Savers.
Today, we had baseball tryouts, but because of the flooding, we couldn't have that. Players missed out on their opportunity to show their abilities on the field.
Flooding happens all the time in Warren because of the new development being creating impervious lands.
This takes away our pervious lands, which helps drain away water, and that means there's more flooding now in Warren, consistently and stronger floods.
What happen is we have to educate the community and spread the word about the usage of rain barrels and the usage of water gardens.
We will do this on our Earth Day celebration at Wagner Farm to share the word and to get everybody involved to trying to save our community.
We're really disappointed about missing out on baseball and other opportunities because of flooding. But not to worry, the Storm Savers met with our township engineer and a PSEG environmental specialist to ask how we can determine if the storm water we were seeing was having an impact on our streams and rivers. We partnered with Hampton Labs, tested the water before rainfall and then after a heavy rainfall, and the results were amazing. The majority of samples taken before rain were reported as ND, or non-detectable for particles, meaning we had cleaner samples. In our post-rain collection, samples ranged from 156% to over 2,000% increase in the particles found floating in the water, with reports of higher turbulence, speed, and discoloration in the bodies of water the specimens were collected from.
This is the rain barrel donated to us by Tractor Supply that we can use to educate our community about stormwater.
There are many positive effects of this rain barrel, such as spreading out the time that rain falls on impervious lands.
Places to use these rain barrels would be the places located here on the blue areas where flooding has occurred the most. In these red areas, we tested the water and found that after it rains, there's more soil erosion.
I think it's really cool that as students we have input on the environmental issues in our town, right?
Yeah, so I'm a part of the library committee and we have a rain garden outside. So I think that we can probably recommend for an educational program over the summer.
As a part of the historical sites committee, I've seen a drastic increase in our population. We used to have 9,000 people 30 years ago and now have 16,000, causing more impervious land to be formed.
Educating residents on the importance of clearing storm drains to allow stormwater to flow easily to reduce the impacts of flooding.
Thank you from the Storm Savers.